So you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, or even researcher, then you must check out this tool by Google, NotebookLM, which is an AI-powered note-taking application. The key feature, it gives an advanced summarization. You give a long document and it will automatically summarize, giving you concise overview and main points. It gives you contextual insight based on your content of note, and the natural language query allows you to search note using natural language, making information retrieval intuitive. Now, if you say there are similar tool available like Evernote, Notion, Roam Research, then it is little different. Evernote, even though it is robust note-taking and organization tool, it lacks advanced AI summarization and natural language query. Notion, you can highly customize and it's versatile till date, but relies more on manual setup and organization. And Roam Research, again, it's excellent for interconnected notes and networked thought, but focused on manual linking of ideas. So with this one tool, you get your work done productively. So to get to NotebookLM, you just search for NotebookLM and you see this is the link, notebooklm.google. So once you click here, this is the website and right now it says experiment, try NotebookLM. So once you click here, if you're already logged into your Gmail account, then you come to this screen. Otherwise, you have to enter your Google credential and you'll come to this page. It hardly took any second to get here and here, okay. So here, some of the examples and resources are given here. Once you click here, you will go and find those resources. 8 resource, 4, 6 and 7. And also you can join the Discord in case you want to interact and find some more information. So that is good part. You can change the brightness. You can go to the dark mode and these are, some cool features here. Then you have this new notebook. So once you click here, make sure you're giving a title here. Okay, we'll come to this part a little later. Untitled notebook can give a name to the note. So this is one way. Or when you go back, you see here, you have an option to edit the title from here also. Let me get in. I've named this as test and you can upload from your Google Drive. You can upload a PDF document, text file. You can copy a text and you can also get the website here. So every time you create a note, it's a good practice to name them and organize them as per what you're doing. Here is what it makes itself different from any other tool, is that you add your sources here in whatever form this is, be it Drive, PDF, text file, copied text or website. So here I'm going to copy some of the PDF and these PDFs, once I open, see here, as it keeps uploading, everything is getting ingested here. So this uses Gemini. This is where prompts will happen. And whenever you are typing, this will go and find information from the sources what you have given. So it is not going and searching outside, but here. If you're adding any website, let me show that to you. Click on website and then you enter the URL like this and insert. So that will also come here. This is how you add everything to Note on which you are working. Now you know that these informations are getting pulled from the sources which you have shared and it is not going and taking any information from the internet. Now that all the source, what is pulled here are in one place, you can select or deselect the sources. So right now it's all selecting. Now whatever conversation I'm going to have here is going to be with this source what has been pulled here and nothing from the outside. So there is no hallucination, there is no accessing of information on the open source internet. All it is doing is whatever you are selecting as a source, from that the conversation will happen. This is where you start type. Right now it shows 5 sources. Here it is 5 sources. If I make it 4, it shows 4 sources. And then you can start typing and have conversation. So it uses Gemini. If you have used that, you would know how this is. So you will start typing and chatting. You see here, the suggested questions are also given here. You can come with your own question. And here, let me type how to come with a effective social media strategy that works for affiliate marketing. Once I'm doing the conversation, it is going and finding the details from these resources And now you see this details here. So the details have been condensed, and you can go through this. In case you like it, you like, don't like it, you say bad response. If you want to copy this and take it elsewhere, you can do that. And if you like this, you can also pin the message to Note. So once you pin the message, this message comes here and it shows how many citations it has. So these citations, if you want to go and check, just click here, and these citations, all 10 citations, you find it here. So it's making the life easy. And also, if you have any follow-up question, you can start typing here, and you also see some of the questions already prompted for you if you want this to be a follow-up question. So as you keep asking and finding answers, you will find details like this, and you can go and keep adding whatever you find valuable. Once you are done with this, here you see, if you check this box, you have option to add notes here. You can check this box. You can ask some more question, help me understand, critique, suggest related ideas, create an outline. So if I'm saying create an outline, now you see it starts working, and then it starts to create an outline. So basically, whatever input you give, based on that, and based on the documents what you have shared, it is going to find the answers within and try to summarize this, or try to give you context try to give you a context. So like this, you can keep adding, and you can also add a note from your end. If you want to, just click here and you can start writing the note, and whatever you write will get saved here. So once this is done, you can select all, deselect all, or if you don't want anything, you can just go and delete the note. So here, let me deselect this, and once I click delete notes, that added note is now gone. If you want to bring content from ChatGPT, all you need to do is bring the information, copy it from here and bring it to NotebookLM. You can just come and add that as text file, or if you have a document, you can copy that as a document. Choose that, and then you bring all the information what you have with you, and within that you find all the responses what you're looking for. So you're not straying from what you want, and you're not overloaded, overflooded with information which you don't want. It cuts out all the noise and gives you specific to what you're sharing. You can also share this note just by clicking share, and here you can add people. Once that is done, you can change the access and then send. So this is again a cool feature. You can, if you don't want to add people here, you can copy the link and then you can send this as an email also. So friend, this is about NotebookLM, a must check out tool if you haven't checked out yet. And also make sure that you check the links in the description where I have organized everything to make it easy for you to access. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as I will be bringing such relevant information to you in future, so you don't miss out on that. And thank you for watching.